Let's check. Server controllers, invoice control. Do we have an archive method? This fucking bro, that's dumb.
Now there's only pending paid overdue cancelled.
Actually, it's gonna be created. It's gonna always exist. I don't need to worry about it. What are you talking about?
Yeah, the only status is right now for invoices is pending paid overdue and cancelled, not archived.
We're in the model, backend model.
Yeah.
Oh,
The invoice
archived,
model.
we're not keeping the status there. We're keeping it as a different field.
Oh, okay. Is archived.
Yeah, I have two here, stupidly. I think I'm using the deleted one.
Okay.
Invoice controller. No, I'm using is archive. So yeah, do that one.
All right.
And
Okay.
then I have a method for fetching it as well. All right, now let me go back. Join contract. Okay, I fixed that. Create contract should only show on contracts tab. So participate on contract card and contract screen, which you did. Archive contracts does not fetch archive contracts. What did I do here? Did that.
Also, for the feedback page, I think we need to add the due date or like past date enforcement for literally everything that we have. Happenings, programs.
No, invoices are separate from everything else.
Yeah.
You know that, right?
Yes. I think it will be better if we just disable it from the calendar widget itself.
What?
Like the user can only select a date which is going to be either today or in the future.
No,
from the calendar
for
widget.
now, let's keep it. No, I like them. For now, let's just keep the code localized to these invoices and contracts. Let's not try to do other things.
Okay.
I gotta check a code I wrote yesterday. I don't know if it was. Oh, contract. Disable. Oh my god. All right. Optimize post contract archive UX flow. So a lot of these like user actions don't lead to expected behaviors like editing, deleting, creating. You don't go to the expected screen and the state doesn't update properly, so that needs to be fixed. Evaluate archive contract. Use standard filter UX mechanism. No, that update enforces 3x as well. Okay, yeah. So you gotta update if enforces the front end. Uh, add fetch filter for my paid invoices. I think I added this method.
To not allow updates to paid invoices, you mean like not at all? Any update at all?
Yeah, no CRUD operations.
Like no name changes.
Yep.
Okay.
Wait, fetch archived invoices on archived invoice. Add invoice.
So what if a user
user.
what if a user by mistake changes the status to paid?
No. So if it has paid and has a transaction, you can update it.
Okay.
If it doesn't have a transaction, you can update it.
Got it.
Add invoice paid to user payment history. Yeah, so I'm adding it to invoices that he paid model. I don't think I have a method to fetch it, but you can implement that. Improve, or I can do it now too. Improve cache tab, sort by updated at. But yeah, Rohit, we need an updated design for this screen. It doesn't look good right now. And
Which screen?
this screen. Anyway, fixed transaction card for Ghost users. Right now, for Ghost users, I'm just showing their ID, but we need to show their name.
Yeah.
Showing. This was pissing me off the other day, but I think you resolved this now, right?
This was the name issue, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get this? What I'm saying?
Share link dialog. The share link dialog?
Yeah, look at this. This, you put like this nice boundary around it. But if I go here and I share this, look at this. And also, let's get rid of this text over here because it's redundant. Put a thing around that.
So okay. Got it.
Add text.
So I read that yesterday and I thought that it's already there. So I thought about the pop-up.
Yeah.
Which already was looking like it's floating, but okay. Understood. Only the QR should look like that.
Yeah, sometimes profile.
Both should look like that.
Show goes. Get route invoice. Some like basic CRUD UI update responses. Pop up like does not work as far. I fixed that. Always show name on invoice screen. Pay pop up widget. Update view program to include new widget. So this still, you said you did this, but it doesn't work. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, if it has an address and paid, you're not showing me the updated widget.
Okay.
That's one thing.
I'll check that once.
Integrate video call fixes. Did you create the PR for that into this current branch yet?
Yeah, for which one exactly? Integrate?
The video call fixes that you worked on last week.
Yeah. Right.
So did you make a PR for it? What I'm asking.
Not yet. I'll just do it right now.
And you're sure it's working well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a second. I'll be back. Can you tell me one more time, like which screen was that?
Second.
Hello.
All right. Yeah. What's up?
Like, can you tell me one more time which screen was that?
I don't know what you're
Which I
talking.
have to change.
I told you already.
Like you said, okay.
No, I don't want to see this.
No, I was just trying. I was just.
It's close though. This is close. This is very close. Um, just reduce the height of. It should be a little bit. It should be a
Full.
rectangle, but not an obvious rectangle.
Yeah. I just get to, like, I am just about to create it. I haven't created properly. I was just asking about, like you said, we have to recreate that screen. I was asking which screen would that
I don't know
for
what you're talking
ghost
about.
user or something.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
You back yet?
No, he's on a call. Maybe it's from his phone. Is it okay now? Like I have changed the rectangle.
No, it's too thick.
Okay.
You gotta balance it properly. It's like not. Also, this play button's not centered properly either. Center the play button better.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Yeah.
All right. I mean, I think I went over everything. Some of these are ideas like mm, this is I need to do it. Okay, so right now I need you to completely finish the contract stuff today, and then implement this change that Rohit made
Yeah.
for this name thing. Uh, don't show
Okay.
it.
On the new invoice.
Yeah, don't show this though if it's the admin because I already know who it's for. Makes sense what I'm saying?
Yeah. Because that's the image and the name at the top is going to be the other person if we are the admin.
Right.
Okay.
So you basically are left to implement these screens, right?
Yes. Yes.
And the create screens and the edit screens. So
Uh,
let me make a list. All right.
edit screen is done. Uh,
No, for the invoice.
yeah. 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 Okay. I think invoice, edit invoice is also there.
No, I'm not able to edit targets.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Um, okay.
Aren't we already doing that? The normal posts without happenings, reel upload.
We can do that, but there's no way to manually upload content right now. We're doing it for promo, but we're not doing it for moments.
We are.
No, we're not.
If we don't select any happening at all, then it's gonna be pushed,
I know,
and
but
only our name is gonna show
I
up.
know, but I'm just saying when you're uploading it, it absolutely cannot be connected
Yeah.
to a happening.
Okay.
That's what I said. Um,
So can you just like elaborate it a bit more because
okay, what I'm saying is that when I upload a reel from my here, right?
yeah,
I
yeah,
get
from the snap stream, yes,
you already have code for uploading from camera roll and whatever, right?
yeah.
I'm saying call the same buttons, right? Actually, make it have like a pop up above the upload button to the right that says like photo or video, and then it will pull up the correct editor. And when I finish uploading, okay, it should upload it without a moment, without a happening associated with it.
Oh, so you mean right now we're only able to click the photos and click the videos, record them live. We don't have an option to
Just
fetch it
upload.
from the gallery,
Right.
the media.
Yes. So that's
Okay,
what I'm
understood.
saying. And whatever controller you use for it, use a completely separate one from the one we're using elsewhere.
Okay.
Because I don't want to mix the two's functionality. Whatever is working right now is working great. So let's not screw with
Yeah.
it. Um, all right. I mean, that's all I can think about right now. So you know what to do, right?
Yes, yes.
But
Got
number
it.
one objective is I need these 5 to be uh, these 6 to be finished today.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, these 6. Then we can maybe we can push to next week, or I don't know yet. When you're done with all this invoices, contract stuff,
Yeah.
we have to evaluate it, test it, and then do something.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. But yeah, seriously, I need this done today, so we can get it.
Okay, I'll get.
Uh,
Okay. I'll get started with that.
Yeah.
Thanks.
All right. Rohit, this is looking cool.
Yeah.
What do you think of this, Rithik?
This icon. What I was thinking, we could also do something like if we have this very icon right here. I'll just arrive on the same page on Figma. So we have this icon, right?
Yeah.
And what we can do is maybe we can just use this icon here and have one icon at the top and one at the bottom, which shows like this is like an upcoming reel and this is the reel that's going up.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, Rohit, try that. Show me some options.
Yeah. Sort of like a 3D effect on it.
Yeah. And this contract screen is looking kind of janky, isn't it? 25 weeks.
I mean, it looks good if it has all the content. Otherwise, it's just. That's why earlier I have added the image over there. In the previous display. Yeah. Okay, but we are not having the image support. The image for it, yes.
See, like it didn't update the state there. Also, this isn't following the design.
How about we make it look like a legal contract? The document.
Yes.
That's there.
Yes. Great idea. How do we do that? Oh,
like there's like
a paper,
event tickets.
like a scroll.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly.
Yeah, dude, Rohit, I need you to work with the fonts, my friend. You're not. Maybe we need a different font over here.
Okay.
And it needs to look, yeah, legal contract. That's a great idea. Like this is like taking no space. You can make it thicker. You can make it bold. You can make it um have a specific. I showed you this. Look at the size of the text here, and look how there's shadows over it. And then Rohit just suggested use like a contract, put it like on top of a legal document icon, like
maybe the background could look like the entire document how it looks.
No, maybe I don't know.
Let me create it first. Like I will show you the options. After that, you can decide.
Oops. Dude, ChatGPT Windows is ass. Kind of like this, Rohit. Kind of.
Yeah.
Like with the background on a document, maybe, and but maybe like this actually, something like that. And then we put the text, and it needs to fit like the screen.
Okay.
So all the make it look cool, make it look like futuristic, like our app. Maybe not this exact icon. Um,
The manage participation button will still over there, no?
yeah, look at this. There's all these good examples. So do something like that for this screen.
Yeah, sure.
And fix up these. I'm liking what you did here. Did you change the card a little bit?
Yeah.
This background is like a cream.
Yeah.
Did you do different colors here?
There are not different.
These are clearly different.
Just because of this cards and
No, these are clearly different. This is a different like level of gradient.
okay. Yes.
I like this white one more. I needed to look like an Apple product.
Okay. Apple sometimes don't use the
No,
like
Apple
background
product.
colors.
Like if you've ever seen, Rithik, which Mac do you have? Silver?
Which what?
You have a Mac, right?
Yeah.
Is
Yes.
it silver?
Yes. Space gray.
Space gray. Fuck. Never mind. I like this color scheme more, Rohit. But okay.
Okay.
All right, for Rohit. And seriously, Rohit, I need like a cash tap today that doesn't look horrible.
Okay.
This is like okay, but there's something off about it. I need it, or find like a better place to keep it. maybe. No, I mean that's the place the only maybe pay. No, try giving it the gradient maybe. Um, how are we showing disabled contracts? Did we test this, Rithik?
Disabled contracts,
No, not
there's only the
disabled.
button
I
that,
mean participant visibility. So like if I take this
yeah.
and I go here,
So it's going to be a blur over the list.
I wonder if there's a reason why the screen isn't loading up properly. Are there any parameters that are missing, or is it just ID?
No, that's just ID.
Okay.
Can you go to sources to see if it's paused
No, but I'm running
on the sources tab? Oh, it's there. Yeah, you'll have to refresh it again.
I should be able to test it on my phone too, right?
The localhost?
Nope, the actual production server.
Yeah.
So have you been doing that? How it looks on the phone?
Block and TheBlock Dev. I didn't see it recently.
Yeah, while you're developing, you should be looking at it through your phone to see if it's working properly.
Okay.
Okay, I'm checking it from my phone now. Yeah, I wonder why this is taking so long to load. It's just like oh. Wait, what? It loaded, but it loaded the old screen on Discord. It was visible though. Oh, nice. Oh, dude, it actually looks a lot better on mobile.
Okay. I'm not able to see that from your screen, but
Yeah, I mean, it's not terrible. Even the current version is not terrible.
okay. You mean for the contract screen?
Yeah, for the contrast screen.
Okay, got it. And there's no other way of accessing the contracts other than directly the link right now.
No, you can see it on their profile page if they're visible.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, check what I sent in Discord. But I'm wondering, are you testing it on mobile while you're doing these things? Let me see.
On mobile web, that's the only place I've not tested it out.
I think that's where you should be mainly testing it, because usually if it works on mobile web, it works on.
Everything, yeah, right.
I like the blurry use. It's working well. Yeah, you see what I said in Discord?
Yeah, I just saw it.
It's pretty good. Reels are working pretty well.
And even
on
if people cannot remove that item. Usually, what people do on web, they go to inspect element and they remove that HTML element from there, the blur.
Okay.
Yeah, I usually do that on websites that have the paid to see that blurred content.
Right.
So
I mean, honestly,
right
we
now,
shouldn't be showing anything.
no, but like Flutter has this advantage because it paints the entire canvas in one go, so it does not show any layers.
Yeah.
The entire screen is one layer, so users will not be able to see that.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so just please test it while you're, especially on web. That's like the hardest part, I think. I'm gonna test it right now. I'm gonna try
Yep,
signing
got
out
it.
as someone else. We're also gonna have to add actual deep linking soon to the app. I don't think we have it.
Yes.
Wait, what?
There's this service called Branch IO.
Yeah, it's stuck here. I don't know why. Something's wrong with the back routing. You get like redirected to the incorrect page sometimes.
Okay.
Fuck. How do I keep on doing that? And why aren't I able to see my own contract participants?
Oh, okay. Yeah, my bad. So if the visibility is off, then no one can see it. It's like that. So just make it to like if the admin is false.
Share icon still doesn't work. I wonder why it looks so different on web versus mobile. It's like, or on desktop.
It's just how the browser renders the stuff.
Oh my god. It's working.
Okay, nice.
But something is very broken too. You're not checking if I'm disabled in the oh yes you are actually. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, not bad. This is like pretty cool. I'm always surprised when things work.
But that worked because I only changed the design. I didn't change any logic. If I did, I would have broken.
No, I mean like when I used to code as a kid, like literally nothing would ever work ever, ever.
Yeah. Got it.
So are you not including the icon of the self? Because I'm not seeing the participant here, even though there is one. She is enabled.
Yeah, so we're not. So I've added the logic where we cannot see ourselves as the participant.
No, but this isn't myself. This is someone else, and I should be able to see myself as a participant.
Okay.
So I added
So
7 and 8.
is this okay? So are you a guest user right now
No, this is my contract.
on the screen? Yeah.
And where's the
So you're
transactions
saying
tab?
that you should be
Where the hell's the transactions tab?
manage contract screen.
I had a contracts tab here. Where'd it go? It's missing.
And just a second, let me check. Okay, so the body is there. The participants tab body is there, but just the tab bar, I've removed it yesterday. I'll add filters in place of that.
No, for the transactions tab. There's a you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. So you mean the owner manage contract screen, right?
Yeah, I should see a list of transactions.
Yeah, sure. So if you try to just swipe right, you see if that works.
It's not gonna work on web. On
Okay.
my computer.
Yeah, so it's like half done. That's why it looks like this right now. So as soon as I add the filters, it's gonna start working.
Okay.
Other than that, I mean, there's just the buttons that I'm missing to change the tab. The body and everything else is there in the code.
Yeah. Okay. So I added 7 and 8 to the list.
Okay. Bouncing participants. So yeah, I mean 7 is going to be a part of 1 in a way.
Yeah.
Bouncing participants on the contracts list, that's an additional issue, yes.
And you're also gonna have to verify the different create flows for the fields. Um,
Okay.
is there a way to add link previews to Flutter apps?
Link previews, you mean if we share the link, we see some sort of
Summary.
metadata along with the link?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm just asking. I don't know.
Would be possible. I mean, shouldn't be possible.
Yeah. Overall, the view contract screen is pretty great. There's a few bugs here and there, but it's pretty great. Working well.
Thanks.
Reels are working amazing too. For some reason, before like they would crash all the time, but it's like not crashing. It's amazing.
Yeah, it was the same issue I found yesterday.
Okay, great. Yeah, it's smooth, man. Very nice. Okay. All right. It's working. It's working.
Which one?
The Stripe subscriptions monthly recurring thing is working. If I cancel it, it's working. It looks good.
Oh, great. Great. Nice.
Oh, contracts. I should make that null. Ritik. I mean, Rohit.
Okay.
Actual.
Yeah.
You see this tab, this list I created over here?
Yeah.
Ritik, do you know any smart front end guys that could work with you under you? Hello?
Okay. Great. Please bring water.
Oh, forget about it.
Yes, Neil.
Do you know any smart front end guys that would work with you under you?
Uh, okay. Actually, I do have a friend who is also a Flutter developer. So,
Is this the last one?
and he's looking for a freelance work right now. So he could do it as a freelancer.
Okay, I'll think about it.
I'll share his resume with you.
How old is he?
He's like we both started doing Flutter together. So
Okay.
he's pretty knowledgeable about Flutter and front end stuff.
Because a big thing over the next few weeks after this release is just optimizing the existing UX to look better and better
Yeah, right.
while I try
Got
to
it.
get people to use it. Because yeah.
Okay, so I'll ask him, and if he has time, then I'll share his resume with you.
Okay. Oh, that's not good.
Oh, the wallet card being snapped in half.
Yeah, some weird issue. It's not a big deal right now, though, so don't focus on it yet.
Okay, okay.
Can't believe it works, dude. What the? Oh. Yeah, for some reason, when I go to the invoice screen on the web, it just breaks for some reason. I can't figure out why.
Is it the view invoice screen or the invoices screen?
View invoice screen, I get a null check operator used on null value, only on my phone. But when I go on when I go on my computer, it works fine.
So web works fine and mobile app does not.
Mobile no, mobile Safari doesn't work. Let me check Chrome.
Okay.
Yeah, it works fine on. Oh, I know exactly what's happening. Okay. 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 What shall I do here?
Must be some null aware
I know
operator.
I know why it's happening because I have different logic for the what do you call it? 2, 3, 5, 5, 9, 9. I have different logic for Safari.
Oh,
So
okay,
something
yeah,
is failing.
right.
I mean, we should be out with this version like at the end of the week, right? I mean, everything looks like it's there.
Yeah. Absolutely.
If we can get the updated content features done sooner too, like this week, that'll be good because I'm gonna really start pushing it now.
Yeah, sure.
Like the Instagram like post section.
That stuff this week.
Yeah. If I can release it all by Friday, that'll be good.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna dip.
All right. See you. Bye. I'll finish up the contracts and all the points you told me to.
Okay, great.
I think